This is the energy recovery ventilator. Now this system works to bring in fresh outside air from outside the home while also exhausting stale inside air from in the home. Now, what really makes this system cool is what's called the energy recovery core. This core helps precondition the outside air while also helping to retain moisture in the home during those dry winter months. Let's take a look at what's inside and how to take care of it. This is the inside of the energy recovery ventilator. Now, there are three main pieces that require maintenance. First is your outdoor air filter. This keeps major pollen and pollutants from entering the home. This needs to be changed once every 3 months. Check the link in the description for where to purchase this. Next is the energy recovery core. This is what facilitates the heat transfer and helps keep moisture in the home. This needs to be cleaned with a vacuum cleaner once a year. Make sure not to get this wet. Last is the indoor air filter. This air filter helps keep dust from coming into the home and can be cleaned with a vacuum every 3 months.